29 forecast.
Well, this heat wave is in no hurry to leave. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Here's a look outside live from downtown Charlottesville, looking to the west-northwest. Right now we have a hazy, hot sunshine in that blue sky. A couple of billowing cumulus clouds trying to form into a localized downpour. Temperatures have reached the 90s and low 100s again. We continue to break that record streak of 90-plus degree days. Today was day 24 of 90-plus degrees at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. In fact, temperatures have reached about 100 degrees in central Virginia, 99 right now in Charlottesville, in the upper 90s in the Piedmont from areas of Dillwind and Orange, Louisa. Well, we've had a downpour nearby, and that has cooled the temperatures a little bit to the low 80s, but it's still on the very steamy side. Low 90s, Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro. Now again tomorrow, all areas outside of the Blue Ridge, that is a heat advisory from the National Weather Service. That means daytime highs approaching 100 degrees. The feel-like temperature, when you combine the temperature and the humidity in those higher dew points, it'll feel around 105 degrees. So yeah, we could be dealing with another downpour risk that could temporarily put a dent in that heat wave for an hour or so. All right, NBC 29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar shows 1, 2, 3 little downpours trying to redevelop in that high heat and humidity. There goes that downpour. Nice thunderstorm came across sections of Madison, Greene, and into sections of Orange County, but that dissipated as it moved towards the Fredericksburg area. But a couple of new little downpours are trying to form, one south of Livingston, also east of Palmyra and south of Culpeper. So anytime, any place through sunset, maybe even midnight, I can't rule out a new localized downpour to form as a weak weather disturbance is passing over the Commonwealth right now. But the main storm track is to our northwest. Severe weather going on across the Ohio Valley. That's where the main storm track will be overnight. But some of that will try to sag a bit more south tomorrow. So later tomorrow and tomorrow evening, there's an isolated severe weather threat. That means a couple of storms could produce some localized damaging wind gusts. So Futurecast shows overnight quiet skies into your Monday morning, 8 a.m. No other issues. More sultry sunshine, followed by a risk for a widely scattered shower and storm to form late afternoon, early evening from northwest to the southeast. They fade away after sunset, and expect a similar weather pattern as we go into the rest of the week. A daily risk for a half-hour to an hour shower and storm. Otherwise hazy, hot, and humid with highs in the 90s right through a week from now. So overnight lows in the 80s through midnight in Charlottesville. Daybreak temperatures mid to upper 70s. Partly cloudy, very warm and muggy for your Monday, approaching 100 degrees again over central Virginia. Low 90s in the Shenandoah Valley with a scattered thunderstorm risk, hazy, hot, and humid. So yes, indeed, you definitely want to dress for the summertime heat. Slow down, take breaks. Lightweight, light colored clothing, drink plenty of water, stay out of that sun if you can, limit your outdoor exposure, and stay in the AC if you can. Michael and Son 7-day forecast shows us temperatures in the 90s all week long, lows in the 70s. A risk for a half-hour to an hour top shower and storm. If it does rain in your neighborhood, it just will make it feel more steamy, but no widespread rain in that 7-day forecast as the heat wave steams on, CJ, over the next 7 days.